have a feeling this is going to be a tough cold and flu season, and I don't want to wait until winter to start building myself up with cold and flu fighters. So today we're going to make a fire cider. There's so many ways that you can make this cider. Everybody's got a different recipe. Use the things that you like.
And make sure you carefully wash the outsides of your fruit, roots, and veggies. Clearly, I plan on making a lot of it, and I also want some to share with friends and family.
Quarter it, or leave it halved. It's up to you. And then let's do a lemon.
Now, this is why I say it's so important to clean the outsides of everything really, really well. We're leaving the skins on. We're opening up the flesh to get all those juices inside of our fire cider, but we want that skin too because there are benefits there as well.
That onion skin, particularly red onion, is really important in maintaining healthy cells. Now let's start getting some aromatics in it.
I don't live near an international grocery store anymore, so I just had to go to the international foods aisle at my local grocery store. And make your own choices about what you want to add for this recipe.
Jalapenos and some serrano peppers.
But it's called fire cider for a reason. We want it hot. I just need to take in how beautiful this is right now, but we've got to add another little something. Some elderberries are going inside this fire cider. You know, while I'm at it, I might as well add the rest of these fruits, roots, and vegetables to the cider. Some more garlic, it's always a great idea. That kind of kicks up that spice. Another lemon, skin and all. And some more jalapeno and serrano peppers too. Take a look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Man, and it smells great.
This got way bigger than I expected, but we're not finished. Use local honey if you can find it. If not, just a really good quality honey. This one actually has the cone still intact. I'll keep a little piece for later.
Time to add your organic apple cider vinegar with the mother if you can find it. And I think we have ourselves a proper cider. Now, I'm still gonna have to top this with more apple cider vinegar so our fruits and veggies and roots are covered. But we're still gonna leave a little room at the top because everything's gonna get kind of liquidy. In about 6 weeks, we'll have our cider.